Stylus Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 5G for Boost Mobile. So this is the 2022 version of the Moto G Stylus. So now it's available at Boost Mobile for $199.99, currently on sale. $60 off for retail price to $59.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget mid-range smartphone with a stylus pen, the Moto G Stylus is the phone for you to check out. So this is the 2022 version. This one has 5G on it. I'm pretty sure that Boost Mobile has had the same phone before, but that one had 4G on it. This one has 5G on it, which I know it's kind of confusing, but yeah. So this is the Moto G Stylus. Very nice looking phone. You guys got the stylus pen there, right there. Whole punch for your front facing camera. That earpiece above that. Volume case, power button on the right side of the phone there. Nice moto clock there. I am a big fan of that. Nice wallpaper too, you know. Pretty nice. Here's the back of the Moto G Stylus. Y'all have your triple camera system, dual LED flash, your Motorola logo on the back there, and it has like this brushed metal design, but I think it's made of plastic. So yeah. There's the right side again. Power button size fingerprint sensor on the right. Volume keys above that. Left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. And the camera just got just a tad bit there on the back, so be mindful of that. There's the right side again, stylus pen and stuff. Front and back, of course. So yeah, so it says here, be more expressive than ever with the new Moto G Stylus 5G. Slide out the built-in stylus to sketch freely, add notes to photos, edit images, and even share animated messages. Capture the moment from any angle with the 50 megapixel camera system featuring optical image stabilization. View your content on a 6.8 inch max vision 120Hz full HD plus display, and do it all backed by 5G speed and power for performance. Alright, so it's very good and stuff. So you do get a 120Hz refresh rate screen, which is nice for a budget phone like this. Not bad for $200 or $250 full retail price. Not $260, my bad. $260 for the phone full retail price. $260. But either way, it's still a great feature. 120Hz on a budget phone like this. That's awesome. So anyways, y'all guys get a 6.8 inch display, Full HD plus 120Hz display, 50 megapixel main camera, 44 hours of talk time, 128 gigabytes of storage, and Android 12 on board. Of course, how's it work is order today, wait for your phone to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Pretty simple there. Features: Moto G Stylus 5G, capture your creativity, #go Moto G. Alright, so there it is, front and back and all that. Stylus pen. Okay, so these arrows don't do nothing. So if you guys are trying to look at different images of the phone, the arrows don't do nothing. I try to use the arrows to see if I can get scrolled through the images of the phone, but the arrows don't do nothing. So keep that in mind, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is, guys. Step up in 5G style. Find new ways to express yourself with a versatile camera system, built-in stylus, and blazing fast performance. Alright. Noteworthy inspiration. Your creativity is always within reach. Write naturally, edit photos, and navigate with pinpoint precision using the built-in stylus. Plus your favorite apps appear when you pop it out. So it's very nice. Express yourself. Enhance any image on your screen with screenshot editor, and when inspiration strikes, use Moto Note to write a quick note without unlocking your phone. You can also animate your own illustrations and share them instantly with live message. Creative freedom. Take crystal clear pictures in any setting with the 50 megapixel camera system. Low light shots come out sharp and bright. Close-up shots are more detailed, and your frame expands with the ultra-wide angle lens. Take your photos further. So they got a couple of photos here, sample photos here. It says your perspective and focus. Every detail is enhanced by the 50 megapixel sensor, compensating for low light conditions. Your shots come out clear and unshaken with optical image stabilization. Taking a wider view, fitting 4 times more in the frame than a standard lens. The 118-degree ultra wide angle lens lets you capture more of what your eyes see. Look closer. Capture the tiniest details with macro vision, bringing your lens 5 times closer to your subject. Selfie sensitivity. High resolution selfies with quad pixel technology combines 4 pixels into 1 for better low light sensitivity. The night is yours. Bring more details out of the dark and take vivid photos on both the rear and selfie cameras. Your images come out bright and clear even in low light conditions. Simultaneous perspectives. Capture yourself and your subject by shooting on 2 cameras at the same time, so your reaction can be part of the action. So that's a pretty cool feature there. Slow the action. Record and gain a new perspective at 120 Hz HD frames per second. Clarity comes alive. So y'all guys compare what a 90 Hz screen looks like and a 120 Hz screen looks like. The Moto G Stylus 5G has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is pretty cool for a budget phone like this. So that's an awesome feature. A lot of phones are coming out with that now, especially flagship phones, and some budget phones are coming out with 120 Hz as well. Some of them are coming out with 90 Hz. The 60 Hz refresh rate is pretty much going away now, so yeah, y'all guys can still use the 60 Hz on certain phones. They will let you customize the refresh rate on some phones, so you do have the option for 60 Hz if you guys want to set battery life and stuff like that. I don't know if this phone gives you that option to go to 60 Hz or not. I'm sure it does. So if you guys want to use 60 Hz, which is the standard, y'all guys can do that if you guys want to set battery life and whatnot. So it has an ultra wide, vibrant from edge to edge, 6.8 inch big screen brilliance, Full HD plus for an immersive visual experience, 120 Hz for fluid viewing with no lag. Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, which is pretty good. Game with more power, live stream without lag, and enjoy next gen 5G speeds with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor. Download movies in seconds and watch videos with no delays. 2 days of better life. Keep creating, playing, watching, and listening without interruption on a powerful 5,000 mAh battery. Then power up in minutes with turbo power, charging, and stay on the go. More features you will appreciate. Your phone, your experience. With My UX, control your phone with simple gestures. Customize your entertainment settings and create a look that's all you. Effortless safety with Android 12. Improved privacy features and a redesigned UI gives you more control over your smartphone experience, so you can focus on the things that matter. Tap to pay or share. Use NFC to make purchases and share content with a simple tap on your phone. So you can use Google Pay and stuff like that on here, so that's pretty cool. Specs: versatile AI camera system, go wide with an 118-degree ultra wide lens or up to 5 times closer with a dedicated macro vision camera, and stay ready with laser autofocus. Advanced AI processing and 4 GB of RAM. Fully improved responsiveness with every touch, tap, and swipe thanks to 4 GB of RAM and Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 performance. 40 hours of battery life. That's not 2 days of battery life. That's not 2 days. And I don't know the specs they're showing here, but it's not the Moto G stylus specs. I know that. Yeah, I think that the 4 GB of RAM is correct. The 695 Snapdragon processor is correct. This might be the Moto G play specs that they're looking at here. I think this is the Moto G play specs here, because it's not the Moto G stylus specs. If you guys want the specs, got them here. Specs. So these are the correct specs of the Moto G stylus 5G. 5,000 mAh battery, up to 44 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable, of course. That's pretty much standard now. 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of RAM with micro SD expansion up to 1 TB. Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, Android 12, 50 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide plus macro, 2 megapixel depth sensor on the rear, 16 megapixel front facing camera, display 6.81 inches full HD plus IPS display, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 20 by 9, 120 Hz refresh rate, dimensions 6.64 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. The Moto G stylus 5G weighs 7.58 ounces. Connectivity options, of course, 5G, of course, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Other features include a stylus pen, obviously, rear fingerprint sensor, which is your power button, and face unlock. Alright. What's included in the box is your Moto G stylus 5G smartphone, turbo power with 10-watt charger, SIM tool, USB-C cable, and your documentation. So you pretty much standard stuff in the box, nothing special in the box there. If you guys need help with your phone, Boost Mobile has you covered here with device support. Says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So yeah. So there you guys have it. The Moto G stylus 5G is now here at Boost Mobile. This is the 5G version. This is the 2022 version. I know that Boost Mobile has had this phone before, but that one was the 4G version, I believe. And I know it's kind of confusing, and I completely get that. But this is the 5G version, so make sure it has 5G in the name. Yeah, this one has 5G in it, of course, makes on point, 5G and stylus pen and stuff. You do get a lot of good features and specs for this phone for the price point of what it is, a budget mid-range smartphone. So very nice looking phone, great specs, great features for what it is. If you guys are looking to get a budget mid-range phone with a stylus pen, the Moto G stylus is the phone for you. It's basically a budget Galaxy Note. It does have some Samsung features like the live messages feature and stuff like that. So pretty cool, man. I mean, very nice looking phone, like I said. Great features, great specs for what it is. So it's definitely worth $200 or $260. Wherever way you go, it's definitely worth every penny of it. So yeah, there you guys have it, Moto G stylus 5G, now available at Boost Mobile. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.